Crypto has now become something that is taking on our lives by storm. I think it is safe to say that we have all acknowledged and accepted the fact that crypto is the future. But did it ever cross your mind using it as a credit card? No? Well, we are here to tell you that this is already possible. I know there are a lot of questions in your mind right now, but hold your horses. Before we get cracking on the video, please like and subscribe to our channel for anything crypto. Don't forget to smash that post notifications bell to be on the loop whenever we release new content. The future is here. Bitcoin has now become a credit card called Blockfi. So, let's go over what Blockfi is. Blockfi does basically what traditional banks do, so more like a crypto bank. You'll have interest-bearing accounts in Blockfi, so anytime you have your crypto in there, you'll earn daily or weekly interest in crypto. There are 3 things that you can do on Blockfi. You can earn interest, holding your cryptocurrency in the Blockfi interest account, you can trade crypto, and you can take out a loan by holding cryptocurrency as collateral. But one more product that they have recently introduced is their Blockfi credit card. This is getting more interesting by the second. The Blockfi Rewards Visa Signature Card is one of the first cryptocurrency rewards credit cards to hit the market. With the Blockfi credit card, you can always check if you are pre-approved for the credit card or not without impacting your credit score. There are no annual fees. And there's more, no foreign transaction fees. It's kind of like a regular cashback card, which allows you to get a certain percentage back of what you have spent using the card. With this card, however, you'll be getting Bitcoin instead of cash. Currently, you get 3.5% cash back in the first 3 months up to $100. And thereafter, it will be 1.5% cash back. And unless you spend more than $50,000 per year, then you would get a 2% cash back. Every time you use your card, you accrue points. You'll earn 1.5 points for every dollar that you send, which is equivalent to 1.5% and then every single month. Blockfi will get these points and then they will purchase Bitcoin and deposit into your Blockfi account, where you will be earning interest on top of what you make. It will be important to note that the dollar value will always fluctuate depending on Bitcoin price, but the amount of Bitcoin you own will never change. Now, you don't get to choose the dates that you want to redeem your points. Instead, Blockfi automatically does that for you. This may be a good thing, as we now know, Blockfi is a financial services company that specializes in cryptocurrency. And the cool thing about it, as mentioned earlier, is that you can actually earn interest on your cryptocurrency on your account. So if you sign up, you can earn way more interest than you would at a bank. You can earn up to 4% on Bitcoin and up to 8.5% on some stable coins. Now, having this credit card bumps that up by an additional 2% on your stable coin holdings. So you could be transferring those Bitcoin rewards into stable coins and earning 10% on them, or you could just keep this Bitcoin and earn 4%, which is way better than any bank account. And you're most likely going to get quite a bit of capital gains on that Bitcoin as well. Another benefit of this card is you get 0.25% back on every trade you make through Blockfi just for having the card. Another benefit is that when you sign up, there's no hard credit check. They'll tell you whether you are approved or not for the card and what they're going to offer you. It's only if you decide that you actually do want the card that they will do a hard pull on your credit report. You can also actually switch out the way that you get paid out. So if you don't want to get paid in Bitcoin, well, you can get paid out in Ethereum or any other cryptocurrency that is listed on their dashboard. You can even get paid out in USDC and earn up to 9%. A really good benefit of having this credit card is convenience. As mentioned earlier, Blockfi automatically redeems your points for you. Your points will be invested and you are accruing interest, and all of that is being done automatically with you doing nothing. All you have to do is just spend it and know that Blockfi is going to take care of everything for me. So there is that wonderful feeling of spending this card with the thought that the points that you accrue are going to be saved and invested versus being spent. Overall, it's extremely convenient and it's frictionless. So if you're somebody who doesn't want to invest passively into Bitcoin, the Blockfi credit card is a great option for you. Otherwise, cryptocurrency is a huge space of endless possibilities. You can do your own research and see what works for you best. Although, to be completely honest, there may be better credit card options out there. They're not plugged into the crypto ecosystem as Blockfi is. The Blockfi credit card is already connected to the crypto ecosystem. And if you want to be heavily invested into crypto and be in crypto for the long haul, then the Blockfi credit card may be something you should strongly consider. mainly because it's already plugged into the crypto ecosystem. A great reminder is that when the value of your crypto goes up, so does your reward. That's it for today's video. What are your thoughts on this revolutionary credit card? Would you get it for yourself? Let us know in the comments below, and let's all start a discussion on this. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click on the post notifications bell to hear more from us. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep investing wisely.